Looking for the ultimate ride to upgrade your daily commute or weekend adventures? Finding the best e-bike for sale can completely transform how you get around town. Let's dive into the top-rated models built for speed, comfort, and maximum range. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Moveloop e-bike for sale. The Moveloop electric bike stands out as a highly capable and versatile option designed specifically to elevate urban commuting and leisure cycling. At the heart of its performance is a robust motor peaking at 1,500 watts, which grants riders the raw power needed to conquer city hills and steep inclines up to 30 degrees effortlessly. This robust powertrain allows the bike to reach exciting top speeds of up to 31 mph, making your daily travels both fast and exhilarating. Supporting this performance is a high-capacity 48-volt 15.6-amp removable battery, carefully engineered to offer extended range so you can focus on the journey rather than searching for the next charging outlet. Built with a balanced focus on comfort and durability, the Moveloop features a lightweight yet sturdy frame paired with 20-inch by 4.0 fat tires. These wide tires deliver exceptional stability, absorbing road vibrations and providing reliable grip across varied terrains, from smooth city asphalt to rugged, unpaved paths. Number 2. TACTIEN e-bike for sale. The TACTIEN electric bike is a premium, heavy-duty machine engineered for riders demanding maximum power, extreme range, and top-tier safety. It proudly features a fully UL-certified battery system available in 48V or 60V configurations, alongside compliant electrical components, delivering multi-layer charging protection and thermal stability during intense off-road use. The core of this model is an astonishing 3,000-watt rear spoke hub motor that delivers massive torque and rapid acceleration. This immense power easily pushes the bike to exhilarating top speeds ranging between 37 and 42 mph, making short work of the steepest hills and most demanding trails. Distance is never an issue with the TACTIEN, as its high-capacity battery pack provides an exceptional pure electric range of up to 120 miles on a single charge. To manage this speed and range, riders can cycle through 3 distinct speed modes using the sophisticated mid-mounted high-definition HD LCD dashboard that tracks speed, battery status, and mileage. Number 3. Bodywel e-bike for sale. The Bodywel electric bike presents a modern, stylish, and highly practical transportation solution, making it an excellent gift choice for riders of all ages. Boasting a sleek, minimalistic aesthetic, this folding adult electric bicycle perfectly blends fashion with day-to-day functionality. It is driven by a reliable 400-watt peak high-power motor that comfortably supports a top speed of 23 miles per hour, making it ideal for standard city commuting and fitness exercises. The bike is powered by a 36-volt 10.8 rechargeable battery equipped with a smart battery management system for added safety, allowing for a fast 4 to 6 hour charge time and delivering a maximum endurance range of 25 miles per charge cycle. Comfort is a primary design focus for Bodywel, which utilizes a high-quality front shock-absorbing fork to effectively buffer road bumps and vibrations on rough pavements. Its highly adjustable saddle is uniquely accommodating, offering a tailored fit for riders ranging from 4'5" to 5'9" in height. Number 4. X-Pro e-bike for sale. The X-Pro dirt bike introduces a distinct departure from typical electric models by utilizing a dependable 4-stroke gas engine, offering young riders a classic mechanical experience without the need to mix oil and gas. Engineered primarily for youth adventurers, but built tough enough to support adults, this versatile bike features a highly robust construction capable of carrying a maximum weight capacity of up to 200 pounds. The 4-stroke engine is notoriously more durable and reliable than standard 2-stroke alternatives, working in tandem with a simple chain transmission and an easy pull start mechanism that allows young riders to get moving quickly with minimal physical effort. Safety and parental peace of mind are deeply integrated into the X-Pro's design. The bike is equipped with comprehensive front and rear shock absorbers, alongside responsive front and rear disc brakes, guaranteeing stable handling and reliable stopping power, even when approaching its maximum speed of 28 mph.
Crucially, it includes an adjustable speed limiter, enabling parents to strictly regulate maximum velocities based on the rider's experience level.
Number 5. X-Pro Drax X 4600-watt e-bike for sale. The X-Pro Drax X is an absolute powerhouse in the off-road electric motorcycle category, built specifically for dominant trail riding and extreme terrain mastery. The defining feature of this machine is its massive 4600-watt gearbox mid-drive motor system. By incorporating a built-in reduction gearbox, the motor multiplies its output to generate an incredible 253 Nm of wheel-side torque at 3,800 RPM. This extreme pulling power allows the Drax X to conquer astonishing 60-degree steep climbs that would completely stall standard hub motor alternatives. The mid-drive configuration keeps the weight perfectly centered, dramatically improving balance, agility, and control over rocky hillsides, loose gravel, and deep mud trails. Rider comfort and handling precision are optimized via a rear shock absorber mounted to a dedicated swing arm design, which smooths out heavy trail impacts and maximizes tire traction. The bike accommodates various skill levels by offering 3 speed modes: a 15-mile-per-hour beginner setting, a 28-mile-per-hour cruising mode, and an unrestricted 50-mile-per-hour mode for experienced riders. Whether you need an agile urban commuter or a high-torque off-road powerhouse, the perfect e-bike matches your lifestyle. Explore these top-tier models, weigh their unique features, and select the ultimate ride to elevate your future outdoor adventures today.